You guys got to check out this tool. I've never seen or used anything like it. It's a wall-mounted vacuum that has a built-in reel. And this thing is simple to install. Let me show you. Hey, there it is. It's on the wall. This is from Giraffe Tools. They make the wall-mounted pressure washers as well. So this thing comes with everything you need to mount it on the wall. Has a long auto retracting reel, all the accessories that also mount on the wall. It's really handy. Plus it's got a 30-foot hose, wireless remote, and it can be used wet or dry. Plus it has plenty of vacuum strength.